Okay, let's have Gail Bird and Dave Boggiani. Is that right? Boggiani? Yeah, Dave Boggiani. Thank you. Round of applause, guys. Okay, Dave, this is going to be the first fight, I believe? Yeah? How are you feeling about it?
I'm feeling confident.
Just confident. Just tell everyone about yourself, where you training, how's it going?
I've been fighting at Swappers, been doing it about 8 months now. Got in the ring, started on it. I've had a bit of a hiccup halfway through, my mum died, and stopped training for about 6 weeks. So I'm dedicating the fight to my mum. So I'm going to come hard and wish her luck.
Same question to you, Bill. Just everyone knows you're training, where you training?
Firstly, I'd like to say, sorry I didn't know that about your mum. Someone else to you. Congratulations, keep doing it. Secondly, I train around the arena, doing all boys classes, adults classes, getting hard work and dirt stuff with Luke Robinson, Alex Chapel. Yeah, so it's doing well. Back playing football as well now, so at the moment, most of my time is just fitness and boxing at the moment.
So for you, obviously, you're improving every fight now. You're boxing a lot better now. Before you wasn't really listening a lot. Now you are. The last fight was a real good fight, a good win for you. Obviously, you don't know much about the squad. Again, this is his debut. But what's your intentions when you go in this fight?
Exactly what you said. Stick to my game plan. What the corner tell me to do, listen to what they're saying. They can see the fight better than what I can. Then I'll just be looking in his eyes. You'll be seeing the whole fight. I think that's why I've improved loads, obviously with the extra training. And yeah, basically listening and trying to control my fight. Yeah, again. So yeah, it's back to go into controlling my fights, not getting caught up in silly little scraps. Getting a bit too wild, blowing out early doors. So take a step back and control the fight myself.
And today for you, obviously, it's a different situation for you. Obviously, Dale's had quite a few fights now, so you can sit, you can learn, you can study all his fights. You've seen what he's got, obviously, in the ring. You've been watching him. You was on his last fight. You watched him. Does anything bother you about him, or do you think it's going to go one way in the ring?
Well, I'm going to make this fight mine. I'm going to fight, it's going to be at my pace. I'm going to do it my way. So, yeah, basically it's one-way fight, basically. I'm not disrespect or anything, but I'm going to fight my fight, and I'm going to fight his fight.
So obviously you've been training 8 months, Girl's been training a few years. What are you going to do to make sure you come out victorious?
Just keep up the hard work, the hard training, everything I'm doing, just full speed. Sorry for the expression, but it's just I've been full speed for the last 6 weeks, and I'm just going to keep on going. So I wish everyone all the best of luck. And like I said, he's been training hard, we'll have a good fight.
So obviously now he's on his first fight. Do you feel you've got something you got to prove, or do you feel you just got to go in it the same way as you normally do? Obviously it's his first fight and you've had a few fights, so.
Every fight I've got something to prove to myself more than anything. That's why I train. I train to improve, I train to win. He's got a lot more pressure on his shoulders more than I have, to be fair. I've walked out in front of Fightclub, in front of like 900 people. I know what it's like. Do you know what I mean? That's something he has to deal with. I've dealt with them, the nerves. I mean, it never gets any easier. But for me, I've experienced it walking out the Meca with so many people. So he's the one with the added pressure. Me, I'm just going to stick to my game plan that we've been working on. And yeah, like I said, nothing to prove for me apart from me winning and getting better.
do you think your experience played a big part in this, obviously, being in the ring and stuff like that? How do you think, obviously, do you think he had blown himself out by trying to knock you out? Or do you think he's going to come in there and box, and even if he does hand and box, do you think he's going to have far too much strength because of what he's done in the past?
This is boxing, everything's one punch, we all know that's all the same, but it is true one. Yeah, I know my ability to be able to move, and like I said, not get drawn into fights. He may get excitable, like I said, but he's got nerves to play with as well. I mean, we always get nervous, but that first ever fight, I remember myself being in the back at Meca, ass is going, sweating like mad, and then I think I walked in and actually throw a punch in 3 rounds, just 3-round beating, and that was just pure nerves. Yeah, so like I said, maybe my experience might play a big part in this fight, or maybe he has got something that we haven't seen yet.
So, Dave, this is your first fight. As Del says, you might get nervous because you've never fought before. Do you think nerves will be a factor in this fight?
Nerves are definitely going to be a factor. There's no two ways about it. I've got a certain person who's going to try and keep me calm. Big up Richard Jones, by the way, for doing it. He's sound body and mind, you know what I mean? So I've got him helping me with my nerves. So hopefully on the night I should be fine.
Galvin, do you have any final words for your opponent?
Yeah, come, bring it. Let's have a tear up, it's Penny Housebound. Wish you the best of luck, and you can't say for it.
Same question to you, Dave. Final words?
Good luck, Dale. We'd like to say we'll have a good tear up. We'll show them all what's done.
One way. In the back, Newman, in the back. Not good. Let's come over there, side. Just got your cap out right there, yeah? You can edit that, please. Yeah, please, man, take it.